loose. To be a king in the kitchen, you fight for position, your ultimate volition. Making haters revel, grinding your level, cooking class is the mission. The meal kits are free, you wouldn't believe, class work, sleep on repeat. Look here my friends, it's the usual trend, all the excuses we need. Claiming your ramen is fire, I think you're a liar, cause nothing more dire. Thinking you rule with the best mac and cheese, come on bro, please. Try like me, be an MC, homies might divorce you, Brad and Jolie. Inner pride dies with the spill tea, eating humility. With this dope rap pipe defibrillated, shocked back to life, slicing dicing in the kitchen before you trill skill, no superstition. The class costs no cheddar, so flex your skills and be forever better. It's the chicken wraps, the food that slaps, it's got our names all over the maps. It only takes a cell phone or PC, come on CAE, don't tease me. Off the chain you be tripping if you say joining wasn't easy. I believe it's time, I think I passed the test, I can put this rap to rest. No excuse, no pass, save the sass, join the cooking class. Alright, you probably didn't think I had it in me, but I made it through the rap, and now it's time for you to join the CAE Cooking Class so you can make those chicken wraps. We'll see you on February 4th, sign up at the link below, yo.